All right, one last idea. If you want to take a look at the areas that we have identified as potentially good habitat in something like, say, Google Earth, then you just need to come back up to, so here we have our good habitat, which we've created. Ones are equal to good habitat and zeros are equal to bad habitat. If I go to raster, conversion, and this time raster to vector, for my good habitat, I want to create digital numbers, and I want this to be a temporary file. So I will hit run. And it just does in reverse the process that we did before. It's now outlined all of my rasters. In fact, if you zoom in, you can see that it just literally outlined the rasters right there, very squared off. But this gives me, it's kept every value that has 1 and every value that has a 0, and I'm not interested in the 0. So I'll open up the attribute table, sort my digital numbers, and I'm going to highlight all the zeros, which should now be all of those areas that are highlighted in yellow. I will click on the pencil here, which is to toggle the editing mode, and then click over here to delete them. So this will delete all of those that have a value of 0, and then turn off editing and save my changes. So now I have all of these areas that are potentially good habitat. I can again then right click on this and say export, save features as, and I've already done this, so the keyhole markup language is already there, but keyhole markup language KML is the default for Google Earth, and I'm going to save this as, just on my desktop, I'm going to call it good habitat, and hit OK. And if I get this out of the way then, oh, I have a very messy desktop right here. Open that up in Google Earth. So here are all the locations that we've identified. This area down here by Funk's Grove, I think maybe the biggest one. Right here. I wonder what he got at Moraine View. No, not a lot at Moraine View. We didn't get too many roads, I guess. All right, there you go.